this hairstyle, we're going to brush through the hair to remove any tangles. Then we're going to part the hair on the dancer's left side and then along the back. Now we're going to tie back the rest of the hair so that all we've got left is what we're going to braid with. It's always best to braid dirty hair, so we're going to use hairspray to ensure that it doesn't slip around when we try braiding. To start the braid, we're going to take the top section and then we're going to divide it into 3. Now we're going to take the right piece and bring it over to the center, and then the left piece, and then we're going to start grabbing hair. We're going to grab the right piece over and pick up some hair, ensuring that it's nice and smooth and pull tight. Now we're going to repeat that on the left side, so taking the left piece over and picking up some hair. It's important when you pick up the hair that it is directly beside the piece that you're taking over. Now we're just going to repeat the process down the front of the head. Close to the end, you're going to start picking up hair from only the front so that we can angle the braid up. This will just help the braid sit flat on the head when we pull it up into a ponytail. When you've used all the hair, you're going to plait it down and secure with a small elastic. Then hairspray into place. Now we're going to start with the ponytail by brushing all of the hair into place. And then spraying some hairspray before we pick up the braid and secure with a hair tie that matches their hair colour. Now that the braid's secure, we're going to remove that small hair tie. It's time to take that comb again to smooth out the hair and bobby pin any loose ends. Don't forget to hairspray everything into place. Next, we're going to twist that ponytail and wrap it around so we can start our bun. To insert the ripple pin, we're going to push the pin through the hair up, take it over, and push it into the bun. Now taking a hairnet that matches the hair colour, twist it round and shape it with your fingers. Now we're going to insert more ripple pins all the way around the bun. Finally, we're going to finish with some hairspray. When you're done, your hair should look something like this.